So in Courchevel we call this art. In Meribel they call this art. This is 150 Days of Winter. You get this view. It's been an incredible day. Thank you all for everybody. Well, to celebrate 2,000 subscribers, I've got something a bit special for you today. It's not the inversion behind me, but that's still pretty special. Mont Blanc poking out and everything. Anyone who follows my channel knows that I cover about 3 subjects, and today I'm going to be looking at 2 of them. One of them being skiing and cars. I'm going to go and find someone has placed a Porsche on one of the summits, and it's a pretty special one as well. So why don't we go and have a look and enjoy, because I think if you enjoy cars, you're going to enjoy this. Okay, so you join me at about 2,400 meters above sea level at the Maya Altitude restaurant, where behind me I have the most beautiful, it's a Vintech 912 Porsche. Now, yeah, I've never heard of Vintech either before I saw this, but you probably heard of, I think they're in the same vein as Singer. If you didn't know, Singers take a Porsche 964 and they don't just modify it, but they completely change it. So much so that I think the going rate for a Singer starts about $500,000, goes up to about $1.5 million, because literally everything is handmade and it is a work of art completely. And by the looks of it, Vintech behind me have done the same thing, but not to a 964 but to a 912. It looks, everything has been changed on it. You have the aluminium at the front, it's all carbon, flat 4 2.8 litre 300 horsepower engine, and it is absolutely beautiful. Around the back, just the styling is amazing. The yellow plexiglass rear window, I think, is a throwback to, it's got a slight hints of 935. They are big old race cars, big old wings on the back, and it's just looking at that, it is all completely, I mean, it's perfect. They say they're building 12 of these. I'm sure if you phone them up, they will probably tell you that they're already sold. Yeah, just absolutely astonishing. So from the carbon wheels there, which again are pretty amazing, to the bucket seats inside, to what looks like there's handmade luggage in the back. Oh, it's just the amount of time and effort put into building that, I can't imagine. I hope whoever goes and buys one of these actually goes and uses it and doesn't just go and put it in his garage, because that would just be a criminal waste. And of course in this Gulf blue livery, it's just, and you wouldn't believe actually how they've got it up here. Don't say they put snow tires on it or they put it on the back of a snowcat. No, it came in via helicopter. So I guess if you've got something that's worth this much, why not? Indeed. Hell, we're in the Three Valleys. If you are in the need for some great mountain lunch, Maya Altitude, amazing, and you get to see an absolute work of art, the car as well. So that's my recommendation. Let us go down the mountain. As a little bit of a bonus, if you were coming up the Padillac bubble on the mid station by the Rock Restaurant. Porsche have got a little Winterland experience. Not quite what we saw before, but a little Taycan 4S on display with a Scalextric track, etc. Hey, if you like cars, it's well worth a look. I hope you enjoyed this like mountains and cars to celebrate 2,000 subscribers. Of course, if you're not subscribed and you would like me to hit 3,000, well, you know, click the subscribe button down below, click the like button, leave a comment, and I will see you all in the next video. Ciao.